Hi guys, I'm Juni Sorsano, buhay sa Dubai at nandito po ako sa grand opening day ng Jollibee Algurer Center. Kaya papasok po tayo sa loob, titingnan natin ano yung mga bago dito, ano yung mga pakulo, and then we will try to ask or interview some of their manager, okay? Okay, so the food is here now. Okay, ito yung new product na sinasabi nila sa amin. Now they have the cheesy fries na punong-puno ng iba-ibang cheese. Then we will try yung anong lasa niya. Okay, and of course, meron sila dito yung kanilang spaghetti at ang kanilang chicken joy. Nakakabangan natin mamaya ano yung magiging reaksyon ng mga kasama ko sa chicken joy dito sa Jollibee Algurer. Guys, ito po si Miss Yuda, one of the manager ng Jollibee dito. Thank you so much for accommodating us.
Yeah, always.
They have secrets kasi sa mga recipes nila that she cannot mention. And we
yeah.
understand it.
We just want to make the confidentiality and of course the excitement for our customers.
Kailan to ni-launch yung cheesy fries nyo?
It was launched last July 26.
Ah, so bago lang.
No,
This is
June 26, I'm sorry. June 26.
only here in Dubai or all over the
All
world?
over the UAE. And in the Philippines, we also have variants of cheesy fries. We have also garlic onion in the Philippines, but we bring the cheesy here in Dubai.
Garlic onion, you should try here also.
Yeah, hopefully.
Kasi locals love garlic paste eh.
Ah, really? So we will do our best.
Wait, thank you. You know, cheese is my favorite. Kaya this is something to look up sa akin if I'm gonna visit Jollibee.
Really, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now we will try yung gravy nila because according to their manager, kasi nga diba, as per my friends who've been to Jollibee, they're saying na may something difference nga sa gravy. But then according to Jollibee Algurer, it's 100% na gravy same in the Philippines. Okay, so I will try now. The chicken, grabe. Okay guys, I can really say na talagang yung gravy dito sa Jollibee Algurer is almost the same sa gravy sa Pilipinas. So, try nyo dito, iba ang gravy dito sa Algurer. Okay, what can you tell about what can you say about yung fried chicken nila? Yung chicken joy?
Based the other branch, this one's better.
Kumusta ang Jolly Spaghetti nila?
Lasang Pinas na Jollibee.
Talaga? Wow, kailangan matry ko na yan.
Try mo na.
Kasi guys, until now, hindi pa rin nabubuksan yung pagkain ko. I'm trying to eat kasi yung mga pagkain nila. Okay guys, now in front of me ang burger steak ng Jollibee.
Yes.
Na titikman natin ngayon. I just ordered actually one para hindi ko ma-share sa kanilang lahat. But unfortunately, mukhang busog na sila. Kaya mukhang masaya silang lahat ngayon. Maligo ka sa sabaw. Okay, now we are very lucky na masubukan na kayang Lucky Champ tuloy. Burger Champ. Nakakainin ni Miss Pai. Okay, so meron silang 2 pieces na burger steak. Tapos nga, yung taste. Okay, dahil nga sobrang favorite ko ang mushroom.
Benta ko na lang sa'yo.
Kaya halos pasok na pasok sa panlasa ko. So, since dalawang burger steak plus isang rice, panalo na siya. Okay guys, anong masasabi nyo sa cheesy fries ng Jollibee?
Cheesy!
Okay guys, so I have here now si Sir Rico and of course Miss Ellen, manager po ng Jollibee Algurer. So sir, I would like to ask lang po, ano po yung difference nung Jollibee Algurer compared sa mga branches na meron na kayo dito sa UAE? Wala naman.
Itong concept ng store namin, ito yung pinaka-latest concept ng Jollibee. Pattern siya sa Singapore.
Kaya pala iba yung dating niya, no? Masyadong Asian. Kasi nakita ko yung area na yon. Ayun, medyo Asian yung dating doon. So dito yung first shop na ganun yung theme.
Yes, sir.
Second to Singapore.
Oh, very good. Sir, ano po yung timing nyo dito para po malaman ng mga kabayan natin na nanonood? What time you open and what time you close?
For the meantime, we open at 6 o'clock and then we close at 3 a.m. But we plan to open 24 hours to serve our Filipinos.
Really?
Yes, this is the first 24 hours store.
Wow! That's actually a very good idea. You know what? Because Riga, buhay ang mga tao dito. 24/7.
Yes.
Ayun guys, ayun, abangan niyo po yun. Mga kailan kaya yun, sir, na magiging 24 hours open to?
Siguro sir, after a month na pag-normalize na yung operations namin.
Okay, masaya yan. Can we, let's say, we wanted to celebrate something dito, ino-accommodate nyo rin ba?
As,
Wala pa po kasi kami
yung area namin dito is quite limited. So, yun yung medyo namin for holding occasions. Ganyan. So, more on dining takeout transactions.
Okay, although they can visit yung other branches no, na may mga anong branch ng Jollibee na meron pong pwedeng may party room kayo doon?
Now, hindi pa po siya ino-offer, pero soon.
Oh, yun yung abangan natin. Kasi doon normally, kids would love to celebrate mga birthdays nila sa Jollibee.
Actually, deliveries will be offered with Jollibee Burger Manila soon.
Wow!
August 7, August 7, August 14.
So abangan nyo, malapit na pala. Ilang tulog na lang, you can have the delivery na ng Jollibee. Okay, so can you, or Ma'am Melan, can you invite our kabayans na bumisita po dito sa Jollibee Algorer?
Visit us at Jollibee Algorer. It's located at Alriga Road, Dera, Dubai, UAE.
Ayan po, visit po natin yung Jollibee Argor, the newest branch in Jollibee UAE. So, sinaasahan po namin na anytime, magbibisit po kayo sa amin. And welcome to Jollibee Argorer and the Filipino. Binibiling po namin sa inyo sa pinakamalapit na lugar, yung Jollibee.
Yeah.
And this is the latest and the fourth branch.
Apat na branch na po namin.
Wow, congratulations! Can you give us, let's say, an update? Asan ba yung mga next branches na o-open nyo? Or are you allowed to mention na ba?
Okay na.
Okay, sige po!
We'll be having a new store in Satwa maybe by October. Then we'll be having our first store in Abu Dhabi, in Al Falah,
Okay.
and Musrik.
How about Sharjah?
Sharjah soon, maybe next year for semester.
Okay, so it means, muna, Satwa muna, followed by Abu Dhabi, which is 2 stores. Wow, sa lahat ng mga follower ko na nag-aabang dyan sa Abu Dhabi, malapit na pala. And then last will be Sharjah.
Yes.
Meron kaming event ba 2 times?
Oh, really? Kailan po kayo mag-open sa Moon?
Next year.
Oo, next year. Ikaw yung manager doon, ha?
Sana.
Okay, thank you so much po for your time. And of course, guys, among all Jollibee branches na napuntahan ko dito, hindi ko alam, no, for whatever reason, pero lahat na nakain kong product nyo is actually almost Philippine taste.
Thank you very much po. Thank you.
Pakisabi na lang sa sa inyong marketing officer, Sir Rapi, hello. Hindi kami nagkita. Okay, thank you po.
Thank you po.
Good luck.
And see you. Bye.
Okay.